Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a non-alcoholic strawberry mojito. Lovely for the summer months ahead. So for this you're going to need one large packet of strawberries. This is a 400-gram packet. You're going to need 3 limes, a little bit of mint, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, some tonic water and some lemonade, and a jug to put it in. So the first thing we're going to do is wash these strawberries, and then we're going to crush them to release the juice. So I've washed my strawberries and cut off the stems, and now I've put them in a sieve, and underneath that is a bowl, or you can use a pan, whatever's easier. And now we're going to use a masher, potato masher, or anything just to help crush the strawberries and release the juice. So I'm just going to mash these strawberries to release the juice. So I'm about halfway through mashing these strawberries. As you can see, the juice is coming through. This can take a few minutes, so you just have to keep going. I'm just continuing to sieve through the strawberry juice. So this is what it should look like when you are done. This is the pulp, and that's how much juice we have. So I've just poured the strawberry juice into the jug. Don't worry, if it doesn't look like a lot, we are going to now add the tonic water. This is going to be around 300 to 400 milliliters of tonic water. So I'm just going to add the juice of 2 limes now. And the caster sugar. So you're just going to fill the rest of the jug up with the lemonade, and I'm just going to add some lime pieces. So make sure to give it a good stir and add some ice into the jug just before serving, and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy my strawberry mojito. Thanks for watching. Bye.